Hey, it's Nixie. Today I want to show you CryptoOS, the all-in-one operating system for managing your crypto journey all together. So let's get right into it. This here is your main dashboard with linked database views, widgets, and all the other stuff. Let's start from the beginning. First, you need to read the instructions. This is a page with instructions. Here on this page you can find everything you need to know on how to use the CryptoOS. It's pretty straightforward. This here is the price block widget. I have a separate video on how to create the widget with your own coins. The best thing about this widget, for example, you see a coin pumping and you can click on it. It will open CoinMarketCap with all the data that you need. It's such a time saver because I don't have to check anything else except this widget to see how my coins are performing. Cool, right? Here we have the automation buttons that are pulling the data from each of these templates. So when you click on them, the data is added inside the template and on the main dashboard. They are also fully customizable. Moving on to the navigation, these are all the templates that I call blocks inside the OS. These templates are the heart of CryptoOS. Without them, CryptoOS wouldn't even exist. I built every template separate before I built the CryptoOS. It took me like a year to assemble everything. So that is why the CryptoOS is my most valuable template, because it has everything that you need to manage your crypto journey. I will have to take separate videos for them since they are fully fledged templates, but let's get over them real quick so you can see how it is inside. First one up is the portfolio tracker live. I already did a separate video breaking down its functions. This one is a real time saver. It tracks your coins, live prices on all your accounts, tracks all your live net worth, your live prices, your portfolio earnings and growths. There are detailed instructions on how to use the portfolio tracker to set up the live prices inside the make.com automation. I also provided a blueprint for Make so you don't have to make your scenario from scratch, but rather connect your Notion account and databases. I also made this mini button called Back to OS, so when you click it, it will go back to your main dashboard. Here we have the crypto resources. You can track all your crypto projects and resources. There are also buttons for everything, automating as much as possible as we can. You can also use Save to Notion Chrome extension to add your resources with one click. I will show that in a separate video soon. In the resources you can also learn a thing or two about crypto. I have made these recommended paths for you to take depending on your skill set. We also have some guides here. For example, the guide for getting free crypto and the ultimate stablecoins guide. The resource toolbox is neatly organized and categorized. Let's go, for example, over to the exchanges. Here you can click to learn more about the exchanges. You can also find the exchange that suits you, whether centralized or decentralized. There is a project database inside the resources as well. Gather all your favorite projects, including AI, lending and borrowing, yield farming, and more. Next up we have the trading journal template. It's one of my favorite templates that I created. This template allows me to track all my trades and risk management, including my emotions. All of my templates are designed on a similar fashion. For example, every template has the navigation and the buttons. It is just my way of making it easy to use, also on mobile or a tablet. I do travel a lot, so it's really cool to also be able to use my mobile for this. Here we see our trading accounts, our notebooks, our win rate, also our most used trading pairs and strategies. Moving down we have our trading week, all trades, one trade, lost trades, break-even trades, and we have also our monthly overview of the calendar of how many trades we took. Here we have the finance tracker. It's a really simple template to track your income and expenses, also your subscriptions. So here we have the net worth, the accounts, the monthly income, also categorized by months or by accounts. Here we have the expenses, the monthly subscriptions, and the income this month on the calendar, or the expenses. Next one up is the goals and tasks tracker, where you can add your goals for this bull run, or your tasks that you need to do every day. For example, checking your staking rewards, a few simple buttons, your finished tasks, your achieved goals. I really like the crypto books tracker because I can track all of my readings about trading or mastering crypto, like mastering Bitcoin that I'm currently reading. I can also track my highlights from the books that I use to make with my Kindle device, or I can have my notes. I can track my notes, for example, of a book that I read. This will take your reading and learning to the next level, trust me. Moving on, these here are your trading accounts and win rate. On the right side we have the net worth for the portfolio and our finance balance. Moving on, we have the portfolio earnings that is changing live depending on how you set up the automation. On the right side we have the little widget for the halving of Bitcoin, and on the left we have the community. On the community you can also select the Reddit communities, the Facebook, or the decentralized socials. There are also more things inside the crypto resources database for you to check out. Here you can join our private Discord for support with our templates, where we help you set everything up. You gain access if you buy our premium templates, for example, like the Crypto OS. Moving down, we have the goals and categories for the goals. And on the right side, we have our tasks that are urgent tasks to do depending on their priority. Then we have the news and events, so we can simply follow what's going on in the crypto world. You can even embed some of them without leaving Notion. For example, the Watcher Guru, I embedded the website inside the Notion. Finally, we have our trading checklist before we enter the trade. Obviously, you can change this if you are an experienced trader for your own checklist, but for beginners, it gives you a great starting point. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions for how to improve the template, leave it down in the comments below and let's discuss it. I will post the template link in the comments, and if you already got the template and something doesn't work, just let me know in the private Discord and we can fix it. And I will see you next time. Bye!